I'm going to try changing the way I do videos a little bit. I'm going to keep the same night caps, but I'm also going to start doing a Wednesday night, like possibly a midweek special or a midweek tip. It's just going to be a short video, maybe 5 or 6 minutes of a project I'm doing, a repair I'm doing. Viewers often ask, John, can you show how to do that? So if you've got a question that starts with, John, can you show us how to do that? Just put it in the comments box, and if it's within my capabilities and the equipment I've got, I'll certainly show you the way I would attack or approach a job like that. It's just it's to try and get more subscribers. That's what it's for, so I can get 100,000. So if you're watching this, please click, please subscribe. See that solar that's ran all the way through, so it's 100% guaranteed not be a problem, that. Right, so I'm very happy with that solar. You can see the solar's come out the bottom, it's run all the way through. Need to pick the centre up again. I meant to put a centre drill in there because I think I've damaged the original hole very slightly. It's not far away there. So all it needs is a nice bright ring so I can get a centre in there just to support it. Machine this down to size now and then put some threads onto it. This is where the interesting bit starts, or the fun bit starts. And you can clearly see the silver solar ring round there. There's nothing at all the matter with that. Before I machine this down to size, I'm going to do a trial cut to make sure I will be cutting the 14 TPI, just to verify that the change wheels and the gearbox is alright. That's a 14 TPI tool in there. We'll put a decent cut on. Just so we can measure the thread. It looks like 14, but we'll measure it and make sure. Strange how it seems to get faster and faster as it gets towards the end. Right, thread gauges. Right, that looks really good. I'll bring the camera in so you can see, but I'm just going to be cutting 14 TPI. Right, you can see that there, that's absolutely spot on, 14 TPI. Very curious material, it's got a lot of copper in it. That's a flange here over 21 mil, 21.05. I'll take a smidgen off, down to 21. Dead on 21 there. Now just measure the tap again to make sure. That's a fanny's hair under 21, so we'll leave it at that. I need to put a recess groove in for my screw cutting tool to drop into now. Porting tool is ideal for the job. I need to know how deep it is, so I'm going to have to take away the outside diameter of the thread from the inside and find out how deep it is. Just make sure that the tool is nice and square to the job, which it is. Just going to go straight in with this tool, no compound slide at all, just straight in. Slow things down considerably. Slower than that. Idiot. Much better. Doing 45 RPM. Gives us plenty of time to sort of disengage things. I've already checked the thread once, I'm going to check it again, don't do any harm. Because I was putting this stuff on. I like it car, that colour. Really beautiful deep purple. Right, I'm going to touch it off. Make sure everything's nice and tight and all locked up, which it is. Put a bit of cut on. I'm going to engage the half nuts now, and then once they're engaged, that's it. You can't disengage them until the job's done, basically. Right, here we go. And we'll stop the lathe on the clutch. Out to 0. Just going to check the thread to make sure for the umpteenth time. Spot on 14 TPI. Looking good. Right, put some cut on and then full concentration is required doing this. It's so easy to make a mess of it. There's a lot of time in this now. A lot of time. I'm going to do a spring cut on the same setting just to make sure. Try the nut on now, I think. It's getting very near. Very near, but not near enough. not be far off this time. Hold the threads tight. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Excellent. You saw how little it took on that last cut to get that thread down. We've also gained a little bit of length because the bush is slightly longer than the original thread. So I'm really, really happy with that. Yep, very happy indeed. Right, I've cleaned it up and put it back together. The valve works. You can blow through there with a compressed air line, which is the oil feed. It comes out of there. You can't blow that way because the little check valve in there is working. There was a little bit of shite on the valve seat. Whether that's caused a problem or what, I don't know. But it's certainly working now. I'm really pleased with the thread repair. That's one of the best repairs I've done on a valve of this type. It took us 3 hours, so, but it was worth it. So once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I mentioned earlier possibly a Wednesday night video. If anybody can think of a catchy theme tune they would like us to use, why not? Drop a comment in the comments box. The trouble is it's got to be copyright free music. Anyway, thanks for watching.